Hello, welcome to DIY is my happy place. I'm Amy and I have a motto in life. Do something creative every day. And when I do that, I find great joy and satisfaction. So today's do-it-yourself project, we're going to talk about in just a minute. But first, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and ring that bell to all. Like and share this out where you can. Now, let's have some fun. Today I'm going to be showing the quickest, easiest Dollar Tree craft I have ever done. I just got a couple of vinyl stickers from the Dollar Tree and I kind of cut them into different pieces so that I could make more than one fun decoration. I found an old frame that I had never used, decided to use that, and then I picked up a Dollar Tree frame. And I'm going to be making two different projects today with these two different vinyls. So the first thing that I noticed with this old frame was I didn't really like the color. It didn't go with anything that I use, and everything looks better with a fresh coat of paint anyway. So I painted the frame pink, but you wouldn't have to do that. The other thing, I was trying to make this easy without having to get a lot of extra supplies. So I took some foil tissue paper that I had, which is very pink and shiny, and I glued it directly to the board. Now, you wouldn't have to do that either. You can just glue it onto a piece of cardstock or cardboard to line the inside of your picture frame. But this is completely up to you. I love to match whatever the paper is to the color coordinations that you're trying to go with. Now, I cut up the vinyl, and I call it vinyl. It's really just stickers, and so that I could put them in two different decorations. Now, the next part has to be the easiest thing ever. I just cleaned the glass really good, and I went ahead and put the sticker directly on the outside of the glass. In this way, I don't have to take the whole picture frame apart if I want to change it out. I just peel the sticker off and use a little Gooby Gone, and I can put a new sticker on the front. So I can change my words whenever I feel. And the great thing about Dollar Tree is they're always coming up with new stickers, vinyl stickers. Here are my two projects, and they turned out just great. I love them so much. And I've used them different ways of decorating and really planned on changing them out, but so far I haven't because I've liked it. Here's another way that I've used one of the decorations. Can you find Dollar Tree items in here? How many Dollar Tree items do you see? Comment below and let me know. Thank you so much for sticking with me on this project. Now, if you know anyone who would also like to learn how to do creative things, share this video out. Also, you might want to check out a couple other videos that I have, like this one right here, or this one right here. I'll see you again soon.